deep in thought like that, it usually means you're thinking something. So, what are you thinking? It's kind of a dumb question, but why is the genre called space opera? In 1941, it was coined by fan writer and author Wilson Tucker. Cool. That's a nice little fun fact. I should get a laser sword. What? I should get a laser sword. I am perfectly capable of handling a laser sword. Let's get into space opera first. Space opera is a kind of a genre all on its own. It's a combination of many ideas and tropes, from space warfare, melodrama, daring adventures, and chivalric romance. Its main setting is essentially outer space, with a spacefaring civilization that has social and technological advancements. And typically stories within this genre tend to have this big hero who goes on a journey. Am I right? Yes, you're right. Typically, you encounter a lot of heroic stories. A hero who rises against conflict and goes on a grand adventure along the way. So it's kind of like soft science fiction. Exactly. Now, example time. I noticed you had a copy of Dune on the library shelf. I also recommend Ender's Game and Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Time to explain stuff to you. Dune, by Frank Herbert, published in 1965, the story is set in the distant future and follows a young Paul Atreides, whose family accepts the role of regulation over the planet Arrakis, but there are many dangers when it comes to that responsibility. Dune is one of the most recognized books in science fiction. It's an epic and grand tale that deals with various themes of fate and free will, coming of age, power, and politics. The next book, Ender's Game by Orson Scott Card, is set in the future. The Earth is under attack by an insectoid alien race known as the Formex, but also dubbed as the Buggers by the people of Earth, and Earth's international military recruits young children to be trained and to fight against the threat, and that includes the main protagonist, Andrew Ender Wiggin, who is a tactical genius. We explore themes of games, youth, manipulation, warfare, but an important theme is humanity, and throughout the story it is questioned what it means to be human, and the answer to that is to have compassion, and Ender's compassion is what helps save the Earth. And your last book. Last but not least, 1979's Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. This particular story is much more different because it's more comedic than serious. The story follows Arthur Dent, a normal human from Earth who is plucked from Earth just seconds before it's destroyed, and goes on a grand adventure to the galaxy. The major theme of this story is the absurdity of life. It shows us that the universe is actually truly quite depressing, but somehow in some particular way there's something to laugh about despite being an unimportant speck in this grand universe. So, what have we learned? Space opera has this unique sense of wonder and exploration. The amount of detail that goes into each story creates a vast world, a vast universe with endless possibilities. The genre is fun and exciting, and we resonate with it because we as humans want to see beyond this world, the horizon, this galaxy, and maybe even this universe, and look at what we're capable now because of the ideas of traveling through space. What a lovely answer. Thank you, Justin. What is that? It's a laser sword from space. Where did you get it?